awesome seeing all the different vendors, all the variety of just everything out here has been really incredible.
I love it. There's so many fun things. There's baby goats as well as books.
I love how different people come together to talk about taking care of the planet, growing their own food.
Everybody needs to come out and see what's available out here. There's a little bit of everything.
It's a great learning experience.
It's been really fun and the food's been really yummy.
There's so much to do, I can't even tell you everything.
So that literally takes off chicken's feathers. They spin really fast.
There's something for everybody.
There's something for everybody here.
Wherever you are on your path to sustainability, you have a place here in Mother Earth. So come.